I'm Will Wydeck. I'm originally from Grand Haven, Michigan, currently residing in Elkton, South Dakota.
And his wife Holly and I grew up here in Elkton.
And we have 6 children, and they range in age from 12 years old down to 3 months.
All of our children we had at the Brookings Hospital. We liked the fact that it was a local hospital, that we didn't have to drive so far in case there would be some emergency. And we had a great experience there with our first birth there, so we just continued to go back. I think that the staff there was absolutely wonderful. A lot of them were there for all 6 of the kids' birth, so it was nice to have the continuity with all of the staff there.
I don't know that there was a whole lot different with any of them until we hit Sawyer. Sawyer was the first one that we had to have a C-section with.
With Paige, we ended up having another C-section, and they discovered about 9 o'clock that night that she had a prolapse cord. So they jumped right into action. The biggest thing that stuck out for me is once they discovered that the cord was next to her head, they jumped right into action, and I could tell that the nurse was very concerned about my health and especially Paige's health. But you could see that her training just kicked in right away and she knew exactly what to do. And it was amazing how once it happened, all of a sudden, all of the staff just started coming in and doing exactly what needed to be done. But they were very good about telling me what was going on and what would be happening.
When the situation changed at 2 o'clock in the morning and the doctor had come in to check things, and they were extremely professional and were able to get things done especially without worrying Holly. And that was what I felt was extremely important, was not to have her in a panic.
We knew that they were in control of everything, and that made it a lot easier on us. I think we didn't really realize in the moment just how dangerous it was until it was all over. I think then it kind of hit us how bad it could have been, but we're very grateful to the staff there because they had it all under control the whole time. And they have given us 6 beautiful children, and we couldn't be more happy. I would definitely recommend the Brookings Health System. We have had 6 great experiences there, and even though 2 of the births weren't exactly how we would have planned them, we still got beautiful, healthy babies out of all of them. And the staff there was excellent. All total, I've been there in the OB unit for 24 days. So, I knew a lot of the nurses. A lot of them remembered me from my previous experiences there, and they were all wonderful. They were so kind. They're part nurse, part therapist, part nanny. They were just great. Everything that we needed, they were able to provide for us. And we are incredibly grateful to the staff for our wonderful experiences there.